Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George Aguilar, and today I got a smartphone video rig. Hands down, no BS, the best YouTube rig you need for YouTube. This is gonna be the cheapest, most versatile way. You're gonna put your smartphone here and all the stuff you need to use. Why? Because it has hot shoe mounts. We're gonna check it out right now. We're gonna open this. It's brand new. Check this out. You're gonna see why it's the best rig. It's not just because I say it, it's because it really is. The only downside to this is the size it has, but that's the only downside I see. We're gonna check this out. You got your little manual right here. You got some other stuff right here that we're not gonna need. Get this thing away. And what we're gonna do is unscrew this right here so we can open it. Oh, I didn't know about this. If you guys want to check out the U-Rig, the version before this that's not Pro, I'm gonna leave the link right here if you guys want to click on that. Later on, I'm gonna do a comparison of both. So right now, I'm gonna take out my phone and we're gonna check this out. We're gonna open this, put that in there, and tighten it up. What's the good thing about this? Why is this the best rig? First of all, you have hot shoe mounts. You got 1, 2, 3 hot shoe mounts. Then you got your 1/4 inch screw top right here and on the side right here. That means you can put your phone vertically or horizontal on your tripod mount. What's the hot shoe mount for? For example, I got a light right here. I'm gonna put that in. If I got a microphone, I can put it over here. But since I'm using it to record this video, well, I can't put it, right? But just so you guys can check this out, it's gonna make your videos more stable, more smoothly, because you can move it like this. Instead of holding it, your phone like this with your hand and shaking it all up in the video, well, you got this right here that's way better. Let me tighten this up. Unfortunately, I don't have the microphone so I can put it, but you can check that out. Another thing that I bought separately is a level. Why? Because maybe the center hot shoe mount is too close, so I can put a level in here. Put these in. You can get these little levels really cheap. By the way, I'm gonna leave the link in the description just in case you guys might buy one of these. Check it out. I got a level in the center, so I got my light, my level, and my microphone on the side. Turn that on, boom, I'm ready to record. Another good thing about this is that you're gonna look like a pro instead of like an amateur recording guy. So another good thing, I mean, there's a lot of good things I can say about this thing. Me, I got my camera, I got my camcorders, but I still use my phone for recording when I need to, when I need quick shootings, when I need an extra camera. So it looks much pro having this than just with your phone on your hand. And like I said, you can put your microphone, your light, or anything you want that has a hot shoe mount. And remember, like I told you, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 hot shoe mounts. Vertical on top, just in case you want to put some other extensions you can find for your camera or whatever kind of stuff. So basically, like I said, this is the best smartphone camera rig you can buy in 2018, hands down. No BS. If you guys want to buy one of these, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. And I hope you like this video and it was helpful for you guys. Remember, this is gonna make you look way more pro than the regular stuff. My name is George Aguilar, and I'll see you guys later.